show you how to draw animals. Come on, it's really easy! Woohoo!
Draw an oval and 2 triangles, then 4 legs. We also need a circle at the front with 2 little circles inside and a tail that looks like a number 9. Can you guess what it is? That's right, a pink pig. Now, with a little magic, we can color her in and bring this little porky girl to life. Don't forget to use lots of pink and purple. Draw a circle. 1 bendy line going down, 1 line going across, and another bendy line. 2 ears, 2 legs, and a tail. Hey, it looks like a cloud. Don't forget the face. Look at that mouth. Ha! It looks like the letter W. Now, paint, 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 color, 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 magic, 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 and voila! What is it? A bouncing bunny! Draw an oval. Then the letter C on the right side. Join it together with the letter V. Do the same on the left side. Now we need 4 legs and 2 sticks with circles on top. Hey, don't forget to smile. It's a beautiful day. Who is this sea creature? A crawling crab. Draw a circle and 1 arm flopping down from the circle, then another. Now join the arms together at the bottom. Draw 2 ovals, left and right, to make feet. Now we need 2 circles on top. Are they ears? I bet you have this little guy in your bedroom. That's right, it's a beautiful bear. Now, abracadabra, alakazoom. Lots of brown and paint to zoom. Ha! I think he needs a hug. Draw a half circle and join it together with a straight line. Draw a letter V, nice and big. Join the V to the half circle with bendy lines. Now, draw a sharp triangle on the left. I think it's a tail. 2 eyes and lots of triangles for teeth and spikes. Now, we need 6 ovals or circles to draw the legs. Oh, he looks hungry, and I haven't seen him for a while. That's right, It's a cranky crocodile. Draw the letter V, nice and big. Join the letter V at the top with a half circle and one straight line going down, one going across and another going down. A big tail. Oh, it looks like a leaf. 2 legs. And 2 soft triangles on top. I think they might be ears. At the bottom of our letter V, draw a tiny circle. 2 eyes. Now here's the tricky bit. Draw 2 bendy lines from the nose and over the top of the eyes. Yay! We did it! It's a fantastic fox! He needs a lot of brown, red, and orange. Well, that's it for today, kids. Give a hug, Ladybug. Ah!